Welcome to Zero Gravity Ink Dance. Prepare to witness an extraordinary spectacle where colors defy gravity. This is how colors dance in space. We're about to explore the mesmerizing world of ink blobs in zero gravity. Our experiment begins now. Watch closely as the first drop is released. Observe the ink blob as it drifts freely, beginning its unique journey. See how the ink expands, creating intricate patterns as it unfolds. Now witness the magic as different colors gently begin to merge. A second blob is introduced, approaching the first with a delicate touch. In slow motion, see the fluid art unfold as colors mix and transform. Witness the dynamic interactions as the ink forms new, beautiful shapes. Multiple blobs come together, creating a symphony of swirling forms. The captivating flow and constant transformation is truly mesmerizing. This experiment showcases the unexpected beauty of physics in action. From simple drops to complex art, ink in zero gravity is simply stunning. What do you think of this zero gravity ink dance? Let us know in the comments.